Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best construction outfit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting gifts you can give to a young builder, sparking their imagination and encouraging hours of creative play. This isn't just a costume, it's a gateway to a world where they can don the hard hat, grab their toy tools, and embark on imaginary construction projects, from towering skyscrapers to sturdy bridges, fostering a sense of accomplishment and role-playing fun that goes beyond the typical playtime. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Construction Worker Costume and Block Set. Get ready for big adventures with this amazing construction set. It's perfect for imaginative play and building dreams. Transform into a hard-hatted hero with the included costume. Then, use the jumbo blocks to construct anything you can imagine. This set encourages creative role-playing. Your child can be a construction worker, architect, or anything in between. The 24-piece jumbo cardboard blocks are perfect for building towering structures. They are lightweight and easy for little hands to manage. With both a realistic costume and sturdy blocks, this set offers hours of engaging, hands-on fun. It's the ultimate gift for aspiring builders. Spark your child's imagination and problem-solving skills. This combination of dress-up and building fosters creativity and active play. What we like. This set offers a realistic construction experience with its durable vest and tools. The included jumbo cardboard blocks allow for creative building and imaginative play. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that encourages both role-playing and construction, this is a great choice for aspiring builders. What people say. It has been 2 years and it is still in great condition. I have washed it in the washing machine and dried it in the dryer several times and it's still doing great. Great quality vest. The vest was large enough that my 4-year-old could wear it over his jacket. The hard hat was cute too. Good quality. Number 4. Daughter Queen 4-piece cotton pajama set. Introducing our Daughter Queen pajama set, crafted from 100% premium cotton. Experience ultimate comfort and breathability for a peaceful night's sleep. This adorable 4-piece set features a cool short design, perfect for warmer nights. It ensures your child stays comfortable and stylish while they rest. Available in sizes ranging from 18 months to 12 years, our sleepwear is designed to fit your growing child perfectly. Find the ideal size for your little one. Made with high-quality cotton, these pajamas are built to last through countless washes and wears. They are also easy to care for, making laundry day a breeze. Choose Daughter Queen for sleepwear that combines comfort, style, and durability. Give your child the gift of a great night's sleep with our cotton pajama set. What we like. Designed for ultimate comfort, this sleepwear set is made from 100% breathable cotton. It includes 4 pieces, offering versatility for warmer nights. If your child needs soft and comfortable pajamas for a good night's sleep, especially during warmer seasons, this set is ideal. What people say. This outfit is very realistic and looks just like a real construction worker's uniform. The material is durable and has held up well through multiple washes and play sessions. It comes with several accessories like a hard hat, tool belt, and toy tools, which adds to the fun and imaginative play. Number 3. Dress Up America Kids Pretend Play Costume Sets. Spark your child's creativity with our exciting pretend play sets. These costumes are designed to inspire hours of imaginative fun. Watch as they transform into their favorite characters. Our role-play costumes encourage storytelling and active play. Specially made for little ones, these outfits are comfortable and easy to wear. They are perfect for toddlers ready for adventure. From doctor to firefighter, the possibilities are endless. Let their imagination run wild with our diverse range of dress-up clothes. Crafted with care, our costumes are built to last through countless play sessions. They offer great value for endless entertainment. Looking for the perfect gift? These pretend play sets are sure to delight any child. Give the gift of imaginative play today. What we like. This costume set provides a wide range of role-playing options for your child. It's made with durable materials designed for repeated play and ensures a comfortable fit for extended wear. If you want a versatile costume collection that sparks creativity and lasts through many pretend adventures, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This outfit is very durable and has held up well through multiple washes and rough play. The details on the outfit, like the reflective strips and the functional pockets, are great for imaginative play. My son loves the realistic design, especially the tool belt and hard hat that came with it. Number 2. Blue Panda Kids Construction Vest and Hard Hat Costume Set. Get ready for big adventures with this fun construction costume set. It includes everything a little builder needs to get the job done. This 10-piece kit comes with a bright yellow vest, a sturdy hard hat, and essential tools. It's perfect for imaginative play and dress-up. Equipped with a tool belt, hammer, saw, and goggles, this set encourages safe and creative play. Let their imagination run wild. Designed for small builders, this costume is ideal for toddlers and young children. It's a fantastic way to spark their interest in construction. Watch them transform into a construction worker with this realistic and engaging accessory set. It promises hours of entertainment and role-playing fun. This set provides all the construction accessories they could dream of. It's the perfect gift for any child who loves to build and create. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one builder kit designed specifically for toddlers. It comes with a vest, hard hat, and essential tools like a hammer and saw, plus a tool belt and goggles. If you're looking for a complete and engaging construction costume for a young child's imaginative play, this set has everything they need to get started. What people say. This outfit is very durable and has held up well through multiple washes. The reflective strips on the vest are a great safety feature for outdoor play. My son loves the realistic tools that come with the outfit, especially the hammer and saw. Number 1. Blue Panda Construction Hats Costume Kit. Get ready for imaginative play with this fun costume kit. It's perfect for sparking creativity in young minds. Equip your child for exciting pretend construction projects. These accessories are designed for hours of engaging fun. Make birthday parties and classroom activities extra special. This set provides a vibrant and exciting theme for any event. These hats and vests offer a playful way to engage in role-playing. They are designed to fit most children comfortably. Bring a splash of color to playtime with this 6-pack assortment. It's ideal for group activities and shared adventures. Encourage active learning and imaginative scenarios. This kit provides everything needed for a fantastic construction-themed experience. What we like. This pack is perfect for group activities and parties, offering multiple vests and hard hats. It's a cost-effective way to equip many children for a construction-themed event. If you're planning a birthday party, classroom activity, or any event where multiple kids need construction gear, this 6-pack is an excellent and fun solution. What people say. The outfit is made of durable material that holds up well to rough play. It includes realistic accessories like a hard hat and tool belt, making it great for imaginative play. The design is authentic and looks just like a real construction worker's uniform. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.